Coghlan runs on the 3-2 and a fly ball hit to deep left. Bradley looks up. That ball is gone. A home run. Oppo. We're tied.
Oh my. And there's that opposite field power we were talking about. What a start to his major league career.
Boy, the Iowa Cubs are going to get a pretty good player on Monday, aren't they?
It may be the only guy ever to be the player of the week in the big leagues, demoted to the minor leagues in the very next week.
What an at-bat for Kyle Schwarber on a 3-2 pitch over the